So today we are going to see the topic called in Unit 2 final keyword. Let's go inside the topic. Final keyword. What is meant by final keyword? Final keyword indicates that an object is fixed and cannot be changed. So in this final keyword, it will have three types of final keyword. First one is variables, and second one is methods, and third one is classes. So we can call it as final variable, final method, and final classes. Let's see one by one. So here first one we are going to see the Java final variable. In Java, a final variable is a variable whose value cannot be changed at any time. Once assigned, it remains as a constant forever. So that is here the data that is here the final variable is there. So that is many programming languages have a way to tell the compiler that a piece of data is constant. A constant is useful for only two reasons. First one is it can be a compile time constant that won't ever change. Second one is it can be a value initialized at runtime that you don't want to be changed. For example, today's temperature. A fleet that is both static and final has only one piece of storage that cannot be changed. So this is called as a final variable. And this is final methods. Final methods means when you declare a method as final, it is called a final method. A final method cannot be overridden. So in this, it will have a two reason for final methods. The first is to put a lock on the method to prevent any inheriting classes from changing its meaning. Second one is final method is to improve the efficiency. So any private methods in a class are implicitly final because you can't able to access a private method, you can't able to override it. So this is the compiler gives an error message if you try means. So this is a general form, public final void add. So and then you will followed by you will have the body of functions. So this is called as a final methods. And last one you will have a final classes. When you say that an entire class is final by presiding its definition with the final keyword, you state that you don't want to inherit any other class from this class. So this is done for the reasons of security and efficiency. So all the methods in a final classes are indirectly final. So here the general form is final class followed by you will have a class name and then you will have the body of function. So inside the body of function you will have a member variables and then you will have the methods. So this is how the final classes will be going to be declared. So here I have given some Java final keyword. So see here for final variables you will have stop value change. And then final method you will have prevent method overriding. Prevent method overriding means so in this you cannot be that is a final method cannot be overridden. So that is the main thing you are going to use in this final method. And then final classes means you can prevent the inheritance. So here I have given some keyword that is Java final keyword. This belongs to the variables and this belongs to the final classes and this belongs to the method overridden. So here the final versus private in Java. So in this a local variable can only be made final not private. You cannot call a private method outside the classes but you can call final method. You cannot make a top level class private but you can make it final. So this is called as a final classes in Java.